and welcome to today's lesson on sound energy. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to use objects to produce sounds by making them vibrate, explain the production of sound from a vibrating medium, indicate how sound is reflected, and identify objects that reflect sounds, and explain how sound is heard by the ear. Let's get started. Did you hear that sound? What does it sound like? Yeah, I also think it's a drum. In humans, hearing takes place whenever vibrations of frequencies from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz reach the inner ear. This range of frequencies is known as audio frequencies. What then is sound? Sound is a form of energy which is transmitted through a medium from a vibrating body to a listener. It's a physical phenomenon that stimulates the sense of hearing. How is sound produced? Sound is produced as a result of vibrations. Let's take a look at some examples of sound production. Beating a drum, a metallic spoon falling from a certain height, vibrations of a speaker when a song or music is played. It is also important to know that sound waves can travel through solids and liquids as well as gases such as air. Now let's move on to learn about reflection of sound. Have you ever been in a room where you say something, then hear what you said being repeated multiple times?
Hi.
Well, that is called an echo, and it is as a result of the reflection of sound. The echoed sound is often fainter than the original because not all of the original waves are reflected. Echoes are important in some of these ways. 1. They help to keep bats from flying into trees, buildings, and other objects when flying at night. 2. They also help in cases like echocardiography to produce live images of the heart. Examples of materials that reflect sounds include marbles, clay brick, ceramic tile, metals, glass, plastics, and so on. Moving on, it's time to learn how sound is heard by the ear. The ear is the organ for hearing. It detects sound energy that is within the range of audio frequencies. To understand how sound is heard, we must study the structure of the ear. Sound travels through the tube in the outer ear and makes the eardrum vibrate, causing the bones in the middle ear to move. The nerves in the inner ear detect this movement and send messages to the brain, which interprets them as sound. Our reception of sound varies from individual to individual. What constitutes noise to some people may be pleasant to other people. Also, some individuals can pick up sounds of low frequencies while others cannot. Which category do you belong to? We have now come to the end of the lesson. Well done for paying attention. Today, we learned the meaning of sound, production of sound, reflection of sound, and how sound is heard by the ear. See you in the next lesson.